Dow theory. Dow theory was published in 255 Wall Street Journal written by Carlos H. Dow. He was a journalist, founder and first editor of Wall Street Journal and co-founder of Dow Jones and the company. Dow theory holds that there are three components in the movement of the stock price. Primary trend. If you see this chart, there is a tide in the ocean and there is a wave in the ocean and there is a ripples. The primary trend we consider as a tide. It is a very strong, so it is a long-term direction of the market move and it's very important. The secondary trend is we consider as a waves in the ocean. So it change based on the direction of the airflow and there are a lot of factors. So we consider secondary trend refer to a temporary reversal in the primary trend. And the small ripples are called, or we can say it is a daily fluctuation in the stock price. It is meaningless and contains no useful information. So here we compare all the three together, you get a better understanding. Tide, waves, and ripples. The stock market discounts all news. Stock prices quickly incorporate new information as soon as it comes available. Once news is released, the stock price will change to reflect this news information. Trends are confirmed by volumes. Dow believed that volume confirmed price trends. When price moves on low volume, there could be many different explanations. Why? A overly aggressive seller could be present for example. But when price movement are accompanied by high volume, Dow believed that there is a representation of true market view or market trend. If many participants are active in the particular security or the stock and the price moves significantly in one direction, Dow believed that the market direction should continue in the anticipated direction. For him, it was a signal that the trend is developing. Trend exists until definitive signal pave that they have ended. It means when the stock is falling until it is making lower low formation or lower low pattern, the downtrend is continuing. When the stock is changing the direction and it is making the higher high, then the change of trend is confirmed. And the same way, when the stock is making higher high formation and the stock is going up, when the first signal it is making the lower low formation, it means the it is showing the confirmed signals that the stock is changing its direction. Different time frames. Imagine gain seashell as a chart where each lower time frame goes around the larger time frame. It means the daily time frame is within the weekly time frame and 4-hour chart is within the daily chart movement and hourly chart is within 4-hour chart, 15-minute chart within hourly and 5-minute chart within 15 minutes and 1 minute is within 5 minutes. So by using this logic, when market takes supports or resistance at the higher time frame, we can move to just one step below the time frame. When the buy or sell confirms, we do enter the trade. Higher time frame to lower time frame, it means when the market is taking the support at weekly time frame, we can immediately move to daily time frame and the trade is confirmed in the daily time frame, we can do enter the trade. So as I said, we just move one step lower to get into the trade. Let's see the chart so that we get a better understanding how we move from higher time frame to lower time frame. If you see the Nifty chart, there are a lot of support are standing in the particular zone. So we just mark one support area here. So I'm marking here. So in the 2020 fall, in weekly chart, if you notice, this Nifty was fallen and it is just taken the support at 7965 level, but it fallen below, but it did not close below the support area. So how to enter the trade? As I said, it taken the support. Now what we do, we just move to, we just mark the high, and now I move to the lower time frame. So lower time frame, if you notice, it is look like a double bottom in daily chart. We do enter when the double bottom formed at the daily time frame. Hope you guys understand the how we move the time frame from higher time frame to the lower time frame. The same logic will work for daily to hourly, hourly to 15 minutes, 15 minutes to 5 minutes or 1 minute.